Hi, Chef Mark here from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Today I'm making haystacks. I learned to make haystacks as a kid. My mother made them, my grandmother made them. They've been around forever. They're a delicious treat, good for any occasion, and most of all, easy. Really easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, let's go over our ingredients. Now the first thing I have is 2 cups of white sugar. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 cups of oatmeal, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of coconut, 1/2 cup of milk, and 8 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now I'm going to melt my butter over medium heat, then I'll add my sugar, and I'll just stir everything together. Then I'm going to add my milk, then my vanilla. Now I'm going to add my chocolate. I'm just going to whisk everything together. Once it's whisked together, I'm going to bring it to a boil for about 1 minute. Then I'll shut my stove off. Then I'm going to fold in my coconut, and then fold in my oatmeal. Once everything is all folded together, I'm going to portion it onto a cookie sheet using an ice cream scoop. I'll put it in the refrigerator for about a half hour, and then I'll be ready to taste some lovely haystacks. Okay, so there's our haystacks. They're in the fridge for maybe a half an hour. They don't take long to chill at all. So I can't wait to try one, so here we go. That's delicious. Just like Mom used to make. Very chewy. Oh, that's really good. With all that oatmeal in there, they actually taste healthy. That's so good. Wow. Never get tired of that. Well, there it is, my friends. Haystacks made easy. I'm Chef Mark from Mark's Easy Kitchen. Until we eat again, cheers.
Wow.
Hi, me again. Today when I made haystacks, I used quick oats. Quick oats work the best. You could even try using cornflakes. And I use sweetened coconut, but any kind of coconut will do. And if you want, you could add almonds, or maybe raisins, or even some marshmallows. And if you want to brighten them up, just sprinkle on some coconut. That makes a really nice garnish. Cooking can be difficult, but doesn't have to be. So go ahead, be the cook, be the chef, be the mad scientist in your own kitchen. The people you cook for, let them be your guinea pigs. Just don't poison anyone. So go ahead, my friends, have fun, keep on cooking, and bon appetit. Bye now.
Tomodachi